how to get a web browser on the Nintendo Switch. So here's what you want to do. You want to go into system settings, and from the system settings we'll just navigate to internet and then internet settings. So right here what you want to do is find your Wi-Fi connection, so give it some time here. Alright, so click on your connection and then you want to click on change settings. From here where it says DNS settings, you will select that option and change this to manual. And you want to type this as the primary DNS. So it's going to be 045.055.142.122. After you have written this primary DNS, simply click on OK, then save it. Settings have been saved. Now you want to click on connect to this network. And it's going to tell us that we don't have an internet connection, but it's going to lie. So click on next, and here it should load Google or this option here. So you want to either click on Google, you get these different browsers. So I'm just going to click on go to Google, and as you can see we have a browser on the Nintendo Switch. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.